Hi, this is Sarah. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a turkey stitch. This stitch is used in 3-dimensional embroidery, using wool or acrylic thread to get a fluffy texture. To do this stitch, you'll need wool or acrylic thread, embroidery scissors, embroidery needle number 3, which is the biggest needle. Turkey stitch uses lots of thread, so cut your thread a bit longer. Thread your needle like so. And don't do a loop at the end of the thread. Start by bringing your needle from the front of the work to the back. Leave a little tail, hold it down with your finger, then bring your needle up to the left and down to the right to secure that tail in place. Bring your needle up from the same hole as the tail and pull. Then bring your needle down to the right without pulling all the way through. Leave a little loop, bring your needle up to the left at the end of the last stitch, and you're basically doing a back stitch to secure the loop. Bring your needle up from the same hole as the last loop and then to the right to make another loop. Don't pull all the way through. Bring your needle up to the left and do a back stitch to secure the loop. Now repeat. Turkey stitch is basically a combination of loops and back stitches to secure each loop. Make sure that the stitches are next to each other, that there is no empty space between them, and that the loops are about the same size. When finishing a turkey stitch, bring your needle up from the front of the work and cut the thread. To get a 3D fluffy texture, cut the loops. Be careful when you do this step to not cut too much and to not cut the fabric. So go easy when you cut. And that's everything about the turkey stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.